Kids, today we are going to learn about how many. Let us count and write the number of sticks. First one, we have a bundle of 10 sticks and 2 1 sticks, which equals to 12. For next number, we have a bundle of 10 sticks and 3 1 sticks, which equals to 13. Last one, we have a bundle of 10 sticks and 4 1 sticks, which equals to 14. How many beads are there? Let us count. We have 3 necklaces, which has 10 beads each and has 1 bead, which is equals to 31. How many balloons are there? 5. How many trees are there? 4.
Hi kids, let us do some exercise from Chapter 13. How many? Now let us write the number 15 in words. F I F T E E N. It's 15. Now let's do the next exercise. Let us write the number 24 in words. T W E N T I F O U R. It's 24.